It's called dust.
No, I think it was my spit.
Oh, I hate that.
Snow.
Did it stop snowing?
No, there's snow blowing in my face when I go around. There's snow.
I'll have to send you my amazing picture, but I was doing dressage the other day, and I got her head right in front of the gate, and it was like shining in, and she looked gorgeous and perfect, and it was awesome. Shannon's out of breath.
Shannon's dying. Alright, Julia, get into the canner. Alright,
Pretty canner transition, whee!
we are on the spot. Okay.
But yeah, my dad. Yeah. He's just dragging his inside shoulder.
Oh my goodness. Very good. Baby, that's great. Stop. Not my stop. Keep dragging your head. She said that's the worst thing for you.
And there's Julia. Julia, say hi.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Shannon almost fell off.